Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS5 to Holiday Inn Wi-Fi. First, make sure your PlayStation 5 console is properly set up and powered on, connecting it to a power outlet, and then to your hotel room's television using an HDMI cable. This initial physical setup is crucial before we dive into the network configuration. Having both devices ready ensures a smooth start to the process. From your PlayStation 5's home screen, locate and select the settings icon, which often looks like a small gear, in the top right corner. Then, choose the network option from the list to access all your internet connection settings. Here, you will find Set up Internet Connection, allowing your PlayStation 5 to scan for local Wi-Fi networks. This step prepares your console to detect the Holiday Inn's wireless signal. Once you see the list of available networks, select the specific Holiday Inn Wi-Fi option. Your PlayStation 5 will attempt to connect, and usually, this action will automatically open a web browser to the hotel's login portal. If for some reason the portal does not pop up automatically, simply navigate to the PlayStation 5's built-in web browser manually. The Holiday Inn's authentication page should then load, prompting for your details. On the Holiday Inn login portal, you will be prompted to enter specific information to gain internet access. This commonly includes your room number, usually a 3- or 4-digit number, and the last name that was used for your reservation. Be sure to carefully review the terms and conditions, then accept them before submitting your details. Successfully completing this step will authenticate your console, granting it access to the hotel's internet services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.